Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get auto captions for free on CapCut in 2025. While CapCut has made some changes to its free features, there are still ways to use auto captions without paying. So, before we begin, keep in mind that this method may not work for everyone. CapCut has limited free auto captioning features, and availability might vary depending on your app version or region. I've gathered this information from credible sources like CapCut's official website and blogs like Riverside.fm and GeoTelecom. Always ensure you're using the latest version of the app for the best results. As of 2025, CapCut offers limited free auto captioning features on its mobile app. Free users can generate auto captions up to 5 times per month, shared across the desktop app, mobile app, and online editor. Beyond that, you'll need a subscription. However, there are still workarounds to access this feature for free. Method 1 is using CapCut's free auto caption feature, which is what I've mentioned earlier. Launch the app and start a new project by clicking the New Project button. Import a video you want to caption. Tap on the text button at the bottom of your screen, choose Auto Captions and select the language of your video. Tap Generate and CapCut will create captions automatically for your video. Once generated, you can edit the text, adjust timing, or style the captions using fonts, colors, and animations. If you've already used up your 5 free monthly auto caption generations, you'll see a notification prompting you need to upgrade to Pro. So the second method comes. Use CapCut on PC, which is unlimited auto captions. I'm not gonna discuss it any further because that's just it. On PC, CapCut caption is unlimited. The next method or the method 3 is use free alternatives. If you've hit CapCut's limit or want more flexibility, try these free alternatives, which is TikTok. Upload your video on TikTok. These TikToks build in auto captions feature under subtitles. Save or download the caption video, and that's it. You can also try to use third-party apps. Apps like Subcap or AutoCap allows you to generate subtitles for free. Export your edited video from CapCut and upload it into one of these apps to add captions. These tools are great options if you don't have access to unlimited captions in CapCut. A few tips that I can give you for better captions. After generating captions, always review them for accuracy, especially if your audio has background noise or accents. Use bold fonts or contrasting colors to make your captions stand out. And adjust timing on the timeline if captions don't align perfectly with spoken words. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.